A lot of retirees are upset to learn that their Social Security can be subject to certain garnishments. Now, a lot of women that did not get their child support or their alimony are very excited to learn that they can garnish their ex-spouse's Social Security for back child support and back alimony. How do garnishments work? First of all, most creditors cannot garnish your Social Security benefits. So credit cards, loans, regular creditors, they cannot come against your Social Security. The federal government can and will garnish your Social Security for back taxes, defaulted student loans. So let's say you owe the government $80,000 in back taxes. A lot of people are afraid to even file their Social Security. Like, there's no need. They're going to take the whole thing. No, there's a limit on how much they can garnish your Social Security. The feds can only take 15% of each check per month. Now, you can even file for a hardship if them taking 15% makes you unable to pay your rent and your car payment and eat. So you have the ability to file for a hardship waiver and prove all your expenses and maybe get the garnishment actually reduced. As far as a defaulted federal student loan, you can go into payment programs with them so that you're actually paying them back less than 15%. But if you don't do anything, they can take up to 15%. Now, how about child support? So there must be a child support order already that's out there. And it should happen automatically. The court should automatically talk to Social Security, and it should start happening. If it doesn't, then if you're a mother trying to get that money, a lot of women are like, my kid's already 30. He's grown up. Or my child is deceased. Or my child and I are estranged. It does not matter. The fact that you have an outstanding order where you were supposed to be paid child support, that you were not paid, that money was supposed to go to you. To pay the mortgage. You didn't have to put it in an account for your child. So the fact that your child has grown up or estranged or deceased, it doesn't matter. The money is due to you, and you can get the money. Here's the kick. He has to stay alive. So you can get the money. They can garnish out of every Social Security check. They can get up to 65%. Depends on how many kids he owes back child support to. So they can get a lot of his check. But as soon as he dies, it ends. So you want to send him vitamins and wish him healthy lifestyle choices so he continues to live, so you can get back this money that you were due in the hardship days when you were raising the children. So the good news about Social Security is the regular creditors cannot garnish you. The bad news is there's a lot of things that you cannot run from, and they will garnish you. As far as back alimony, again, you need to have a back order. It should happen automatically. If it does not, you don't need to hire an attorney. Just take your paperwork to the Social Security office to get it started. If you have more questions about Social Security, you can learn a lot in my book, Medicare Mama's Guide to Medicare and Social Security Retirement. You can find it on Audible, Amazon, and Kindle. And it'll help get you ready not only for Social Security, but how Medicare works in retirement. Thanks for watching my video. If you learned something, please hit the follow button. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare family.